Hello everyone, welcome to Leopard channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable developer option in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here, scroll down, then go to about phone. From here, tap on software information. Here you can see build number. You have to tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now draw your pattern. Now you can see developer mode has been enabled. Now if we go back, here at the bottom you can see developer mode has been enabled. Now if you want to disable developer option, you have to go settings. From here scroll down, then tap on developer options. Now by tapping here you can disable developer options. Then go back. Now you can see developer mode has been disabled. And that is how you can enable or disable developer option in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.